In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook Marketplace messages, whether you're new to Facebook Marketplace or just haven't quite figured out how to navigate it yet. This guide will walk you through the process with simple, clear steps. So, let's dive right in and unlock the power of Facebook Marketplace messaging. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's website. Now, once you're on Facebook's homepage, you'll want to look over on the left-hand side of the page where you typically find your usual Facebook shortcuts like newsfeed, groups, and so on. Scroll down a bit and you'll find a button labeled See More. Go ahead and click that. This will expand the menu to reveal more options that are tucked away. Among the newly revealed options, you should now be seeing the Marketplace icon. It's usually represented by a little storefront icon. Go ahead and click on that. The marketplace is where you can buy and sell items, but more importantly for us today, it's also where you can find all the messages related to those activities. Now that you're inside the marketplace, direct your attention to the left side of the screen once more. You'll find an inbox button. Click on that, as this is where all your communications regarding any buying or selling you're doing on the marketplace are conveniently stored. This section keeps everything organized so that you can easily manage your transactions and inquiries. After opening the inbox, you'll notice there are different tabs within it. One such tab is labeled Selling. If you've been selling items, this is where you'll find all your outgoing messages and communications with potential buyers. Clicking on Selling will display all those interactions, allowing you to seamlessly keep track of your sales and follow up on any outstanding conversations. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now effortlessly access your Facebook Marketplace messages. This process ensures that you don't miss out on any important communications, enabling you to efficiently manage your buying and selling endeavors on Facebook. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try these steps out a few times until you're comfortable navigating through them. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who could use a little Facebook Marketplace guidance. Don't forget to keep exploring and making the most of this handy platform. Thanks for watching, and happy buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace.